The machines have won. This is John CorneR signing out. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Looking at the lady in red, of course.
Welcome. Just a friendly reminder that Bottom Bash 2021 is about to be executed. Get ready to hit your enter keys 1, 2, 3. Coming this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Further information, please hit the FB Robbi Tech website. It's our official sister site available on Facebook. And yeah, hope to see you there, guys. Let's go. Land 2021, land the fuck away. And here we go. And again, welcome all to Robbi Tech. So just a quick announcement, well, not an announcement should I say, but we've got our question of the day, and I believe I've quickly got it saved just over here. We're looking at getting a new monitor soon. I'm only running a 1660 Super. Is there any point in getting, say, a 1440p monitor, or should I just go with a 1080p monitor, people? And I would say go with a 1080p straight away, please. That 1660 Super is okay, but you want to be realistic. If you're playing the new school games, then those new school games, I would probably verge on the eyes of a 1080p. Wait for your next upgrade. But if you're willing to spend, get that 144Hz 1440p monitor. That 660 may be able to push some games. Some games, I tell you, as a super variety. Hopefully GDR6, okay? If that's the case, hopefully he could get some of those esport titles definitely up there. Otherwise at 144Hz. 1080p, otherwise drop it down if you're not willing to spend and you're not willing to future-proof yourself as well. Okay guys, so let's move into something different, which is the PC Master Race in the FB marketplace. Let's go. Let's go.